Hello everyone. Today I'd want to share something with you that has left me speechless. I don't claim to be an expert on AI text-to-image generation, but I've seen a few products in this sector, and none like this. So I thought I'd share my experience with you guys. The product I'm going to show to you today is called PicFinder, and it's a free infinite image generator powered by AI. The speed and simplicity of the image generating process set it apart. To be honest, there isn't much information available about this product. However, there is one feature that just blows my mind. To get started, simply go to the website and put in a prompt. Let's say we enter the prompt, dog eating a strawberry photography as an example. And as soon as we hit the button, the photographs begin to generate, and they generate extremely quickly. In fact, it's faster than any other text-to-image website I've seen. It almost seems to be Google search results, but these photos are generated in real time because they are all based on this one prompt, and I doubt many people have run this exact prompt in a row. One of the best aspects of PicFinder is that there is no payment mechanism, but you can donate to them. Maybe that way they can keep it free for us. There aren't any settings to complicate things. You don't have to worry about image generation speed because it never stops, and you don't have to worry about credits or running out of generations. With more images, you get better image outcomes faster and can explore creative ideas much faster and generate them so quickly. It's quite simple to save or download the photographs to your computer. One of the options is to change the image size, which might be square, tall, or wide. The only thing I don't understand is how they can generate images that rapidly. I was under the assumption that the fastest way to produce these photographs was through Stable Diffusion's own website, which would take about 5 seconds for 4 images. PicFinder, on the other hand, moves at a fast pace. The text-to-image generator allows you to view all of the numerous ways a single question might be presented, and again, it's absolutely free. There is no stress or concern about running out of credits. And credits are so important, so if you want to know more about AI, this next video is for you.